Don't eat it. Hi, guys.
I'm not sure about that. I don't expect them here. Jewelry and a digital camera taken. Another woman emailed our newsroom saying that the man came to her door, but she told him to leave. The next day, the door was unsuccessful. Now, these two people are described as American. The man is described as 6'2" and 160 pounds. The woman is over. She's African American.
Oh, no.